Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of July, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.61. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of -5.43%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.36% since its classification as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the lower part of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $10.11 is breached, it will first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 16.39% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 16.34% to 54.48%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 26.50%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 12.85% to 246.27% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.41 and $35.01. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for SoundHound AI Inc. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price decreased by 2.13% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, falling from $10.33 to $10.11. This marks a decline for 7 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.79%, with a low of $9.72 and a high of $10.38. The price has decreased in 9 of the past 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 21.08% during this time frame. Though the trading volume increased on the last day by 1 million shares, it occurred amid falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 25 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $257.71 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest was $3.94. Currently, the price is 59.53%, or $14.87, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, represented by the ticker SOUN, is currently capturing significant investor attention, particularly after announcing a strategic partnership with Acrelec to revolutionize artificial intelligence-powered drive-thrus. This collaboration aims to integrate SoundHound's innovative voice AI technology into Acrelec's restaurant systems, potentially enhancing revenue for both companies in a rapidly growing sector. Moreover, SoundHound has demonstrated impressive financial performance, reporting a remarkable 151% year-over-year revenue growth in the first quarter, reaching $29,100,000, with projections for fiscal year 25 revenue at $159,600,000. Such growth metrics position SOUN favorably in comparison to competitors, particularly with its advancements in multilingual AI capabilities, which are crucial for global scalability. Despite these positive developments, it is important to note the stock's recent decline of about 40% since the beginning of 2025, following an explosive 835% rise in 2024. The volatility could affect short-term trading as market sentiment fluctuates, but the long-term outlook remains robust. Given the increasing demand for AI solutions and SoundHound's strategic initiatives, In the short term, the heightened interest and innovative partnerships may create upward pressure on SOUN stock as positive sentiment builds. However, ongoing market challenges and the stock's recent performance could lead to fluctuations. In the long run, the crucial investments in AI technology and strong revenue projections could solidify SoundHound's position in an expanding market, making it a compelling stock for investors looking for exposure in the technology sector. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral rating along with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy rating along with a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, H.C. Wainwright also assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold action. Finally, on Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals available. The stock of SoundHound AI Incorporated is displaying sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $10.92 and $10.89. A breakout above either of these points would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 21.63%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also shows a buy signal from 23 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high level of risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 660 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 6.79%. For the previous week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.95%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest inadequate profit levels and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -6 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI meets its first support level at $9.74. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Michael Zagorczyk, who bought and sold 193,573 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 42.627. In total, insiders purchased 2,620,990 shares and sold 6,925,147 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. stock currently presents several negative indicators. Although there has been a positive trend recently, we anticipate that SoundHound AI Inc. will likely experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock remains negative. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 4th of August, we expect SoundHound AI to open lower by 4 cents, starting at $10.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.